They say we grow up and put away childish things, but I always wondered why. Since I was a kid, my imagination was a place full of heroes and villains, of epic battles and impossible tech. As I got older, that world didn't fade. It became more vivid. The only problem was, it was still just in my head. A costume was just fabric. A hero's weapon was a drawing on a page. I could see the magic, but I couldn't touch it. And then for the first time, I found a tool that could turn my dreams into reality. It wasn't about fighting the machine anymore. It was about pure creation. I wasn't just building. I was unleashing my superpower. Suddenly, the world of fantasy wasn't just on a screen or a page, it was on my shelf. A character's weapon wasn't just a drawing, it was a physical object, detailed and perfect. The mask I wished I'd had as a kid, now it existed. This technology, it's not a toy, it's a key to a new universe. And I discovered I'm not the only one. There's a whole community out there, a league of makers and builders who, just like me, never really grew up. We're a generation that refuses to accept the world as it is. We're here to make it our own. My name is Nick, and this is Nick Snacks 3D. This channel is a place for the dreamers, the cosplayers, the parents who want to show their kids that magic is real. I'll share the honest truth about the victories and the failures, the insights and the projects. I'll show you how to find your superpower too. For centuries, the power to create a new world was a privilege, reserved for the few. The tools were kept behind closed doors.
This is how it has always been. The future belongs to the few. Efficiency above all else. Creativity is dangerous.
But today, the power is no longer limited. The factory is on our desk. The imagination is in our hands. This isn't about 3D printing. It's about a philosophy, a belief that our world should be built by us, for us. So welcome. If you've ever had a dream that you just couldn't shape, you're in the right place. Let's build the future together.